Oh, sure. You said first. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, for the travel, can I sorry? Can I say something to you? Sure. That a work file. So what you want me to do with you? I was wondering if you can help me to change the file. Okay. You cannot change your file by yourself. No, not because have you tried on the iPad? That's it? Oh, I cannot. Yeah, I can check the file because okay, so you can change your file on the iPad. And you want me to change your file like that? Yes, you can allow me to change your file. Okay, I allow you to change your file, but I have what is? I have a deadline about that. Sure. So, okay, I see. Okay, I open back the iPad, so you can change your file, but your deadline is about 2 days. Okay, if you cannot or you don't send your files into iLearn, you got the punishment. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your help. Sure. About the assignment. Why you laugh? Not enough for you. I'm sorry for the trouble, but my computer is broken. Oh, okay, I see. And I have to do that. Oh my God, you are poor girl, right? Sorry for the trouble. Okay, I have changed it, and you can send your assignment. On the iLearn, you have the deadline about 5 days, okay? 5 days is enough for me. Yes, thank you so much. If you cannot send your assignment on the iLearn again, you got punishment. Sorry. Can I know what is the punishment? The punishment maybe I think it later. So the punishment for you is my business, not your business. Okay? I'm sorry, Iwan. Okay. Thank you for your effort, man. Yes, sure. Okay. I will go to the next class. Thank you so much. Yes. Have a good day. what's bring you here?
I feel difficult to managing my time and rest about for the subject assignment. And if you possible to help me about your assignment.
So what's wrong with your assignment? You cannot do the assignment, or
I'm doing it because sometimes I have to submit because I need to manage my time.
so you want me to open the submitted page? Okay. Are your file is are your file is wrong? So you just want me to open the iron so you can send your assignment again, like that. Okay. I opened it for you. Okay. The direct submitted is about 2 days, so you can send it about 2 days. Okay. But if you are late again, I think you got punishment about that. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sure.
Maybe I can
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yes, sure. You can sit here. How are you, ma'am, after this long holiday? I'm so happy because I met with my family. How about yours? Yeah, I was with my family and oh, but so what's bringing you here? Oh, careful. I just after a long holiday, I just check my assignment, and I noticed that I just had a long file for my assignment because this is linguistic material. I just this is so hard for me, and I hope my grade will be bad and will be good. So if you don't mind, I just wondering my assignment before, so I can check my assignment while I go right one. Okay, so your file is wrong, right? Can I check first, right? Okay, I open it again for you. So you have the deadline is about 2 days. Okay, is it enough for you? Okay, if you cannot send it again or you late again to change your file or something else like that, I have a punishment for you, okay? Because you are too late more than your friends in class. You get a punishment, right? Okay, today is enough for you. I open it for you. Thank you so much. Yeah, have a good day. Have a good day, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I sit down?
Yes, you can sit there. What's bringing you here?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for bothering your time right now. So I have a problem with my assignment.
What's kind of problem?
So my name is Alan, and I'm from Introduction to Linguistic class.
Okay, so you're my student, right?
Yeah, ma'am. So I have I have a problem with my assignment that I sent the wrong file on iLearn. So would it be possible for you to delete my file so I can input the right one?
why your file is wrong? Why can?
So because it's the holiday, so I made mistake and I forgot to delete the demo file.
Okay, so you submitted the wrong file. Okay. I will check first, right? Okay, your file is wrong. So I delete it for you and I open it again for you. So you can submit it again, right, on the island. But I have a deadline for you. Your deadline is about 2 days. Is it enough for you, right?
Yes, sir. One day is enough for me. Just for me or send it.
So if you late again or your file is wrong again, I have a punishment for you.
So for now, I guess the punishment or
No. But if you late again, I say late again or your file is wrong again, that's some punishment about it.
alright, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes,
For your help.
Yes, sure. You're my student, so I should help you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
May I go right now?
Okay.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, morning. Go on, you can sit here. So, what's bring you here?
Just want to talk about how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. About your assignment. Yes. Okay. What else?
Last week, I collected my assignment, but I collected wrong assignment.
Oh, you submit the file, right? Okay. Bindo, okay. I check it first. Okay. Yes, you submitted the wrong file, right? So what do you want? I want to.
Is it possible for you? It would be great if you refer to help me to collect my assignment.
So I delete your this file, okay? So you can submit your file again. Okay? I have to delete it and I open the portal and I learn what you submitted again. So you can send it to me again. Yeah? But I give you a deadline about this. That you are too late and your wrong is so your file is so wrong more than your friend. So I will give you a deadline. Your deadline is about 2 days. Okay? 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. Not today, okay? 2 days. So if you late again or your file is wrong again, I give your punishment about this.
I think.
Okay. That's anything else about that?
I think that's all. I have one question and one question again for you guys about this week. So yesterday we attended the class, our class, and I wasn't get that
problem for me.
If I text you on my way out or what about my problem for experience?
Okay, go on. You can chat me on the via WhatsApp or something else like that. I'm sorry about that for my student.
I thank you so much for you.
Yes.
I'm so grateful for your attention.
Not a real problem.
So maybe I will go now. I'm sorry to worry you now.
Oh, no, not a problem for me.
I will go now.
Yes, sure. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I sit here, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
So I'm Emily, ma'am, from the Courtesy Class A. So I got something trouble with our last assignment, ma'am.
What's kind of the problem?
I submitted the wrong file, ma'am, to our assignment because at elementary I have a lot of assignment, ma'am, and I got something with my family, so I got in trouble. And now it would be better, ma'am, if you can remove my file, and I would submit the new file, ma'am, if it's possible for you now.
Okay. Your name is Evelyn, right? Okay, I check it first. Okay. Okay, I delete it for you. So and I open it again for you. So you can change your file. And but you are too late.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a deadline for you. Okay. Your deadline is about 2 days. Okay. After this. Yeah, after this. But if you late again or your file is wrong again, I have a punishment for you. Okay. It's about your grade.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So now I wouldn't have a punishment.
No, for now not. You don't get a punishment. But if you late again or your file is wrong, I'm so sorry. You have a punishment. Yes, sure.
Bothering you time.
Not a problem for me. Yes, sure. Yes. I'm sorry to bother you, but I need to watch the video. What's kind of problems? So I submitted a wrong file in Ireland, and then what's my file looking for my second back to draft service, then I can submit my file. But first of all, why you can submit the wrong file? Before holiday I submitted and then I make it. What's your name? Maisha. Maisha, okay. I will check it first, yeah? submit your assignment again. Make sure you not get the wrong assignment or wrong file again. But I have a deadline for you because you are late more than your friends. So I have a deadline for you. Your deadline is about 2 days, yeah? 2 days, not 2 days, but 2 days. But if you late again or your file is wrong again, you have a punishment. Punishment is about your grade, okay? But for now, you don't get a punishment. You late again or you wrong or your file is wrong, you get a punishment. You get it? Thank you very much. No, not a problem for me. You're my student, so I can help you. Thank you, Dad. Excuse me, may we have time? Yes. What's bring you here?
My name is Nora Fitra Putri from English 4 class B.
Yes.
As you gave us assignment on holiday name, I have submitted my assignment on either, but the problem is I attached the wrong thing. So, if you don't mind and you have a time, it would be better if you can help me to refer to me so I can submit the right time.
But first, why you submit the wrong file?
I think it's because I cannot focus on my assignment during holiday, and there's a lot of files on my laptop, so sometimes they have the same name.
Okay,
I clicked the wrong, that's why I clicked the wrong file.
Okay, I see. Your name is Mola, right? Okay. I downloaded for you, and I opened the submitted links for you again. So you can submit your assignment, your right assignment. But because you're late for now, you're late more than your friends, right? So I get your deadline. Your deadline is 2 days, okay, 2 days. And if you late or you submitted the wrong file, I give your punishment about that.
If I did it right, ma'am, you will not
Oh
give me
no, no, not now. Okay, but if you late to submit the assignment, okay, you got the punishment, but not now.
If I submit it now, I don't get a punishment.
No, you not get the punishment.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I'm sorry for bothering you.
Oh, not a problem for me.
Thank you.
Yes. students. You got the same problem with me about your students. They are submitted the wrong file.